Today, we're going to explore the best method to buy Bitcoin using Bitwala. Bitwala is a reliable platform that combines a traditional bank account with cryptocurrency services, making it one of the simplest ways to get Bitcoin securely. The first step is setting up your Bitwala account. Visit the official Bitwala website and register using your email address. You will be required to verify your identity with a government-issued ID, a selfie, and some basic personal information. This verification step ensures compliance with regulations and protects your funds. Once your account is verified, you can fund your Bitwala account with USD or your local currency through a bank transfer or wire. Bank transfers are usually faster and cost less compared to credit cards. After the funds are in your account, you can proceed to buy Bitcoin directly from your Bitwala wallet. Navigate to the Buy Crypto section, select Bitcoin, and enter the amount you wish to purchase. The platform will display the current exchange rate and any applicable fees, so you know exactly how much you are spending in dollars before confirming the transaction. Bitwala also offers recurring purchases if you want to invest gradually over time. You can set a weekly or monthly schedule, which helps with dollar cost averaging and reduces exposure to Bitcoin's price volatility. Once the purchase is complete, your Bitcoin will be stored securely in your Bitwala wallet. Bitwala provides full control of your private keys, giving you ownership and security over your cryptocurrency. Finally, you can easily monitor your Bitcoin balance and transaction history within the Bitwala app or website. You also have the option to transfer Bitcoin to an external wallet if needed. This method is straightforward, secure, and efficient, making it one of the best ways to buy Bitcoin without unnecessary complications.